Welcome Southeast Ohio Solar Haven. Yeah, I'm staring outside the window of the building. Nice hunting. You could probably do some hunting here in the backyard. Anyway, I'll pull back out, turn my light on, make it bright in here. I thought I'd give you a little update. The 24 volt system out here in the building is doing fine. Seems to be wanting to run the lights and everything and keeping my outside light going at nighttime. I want to show you something else though. Yeah, look at that indoor temperature. Yep. So, apparently, the little heater I brought out here is holding the temps. It's around 39 degrees outside, so it's doing well. I was out here trying to straighten up a little table mess, going through some things, starting to get things straightened up, and thought I'd give you a little video on this. There's not really much updates going on. Well, the data left on there, I was going to show you. I'm going to get the data to pop up here. Well, maybe I'm not incapable of doing it today, right? There we go. So, as you can see, 447 watt hours, which is basically a half a kilowatt, that the battery's been charged up today, and I can go down on this. It was 582 the other day. I'm not sure about that one. That sounds like a reset for some reason. But you can see the average numbers. So it's not doing too bad. But still, I'd like to, eventually be able to, let's exit out of here. Be able to replace this set of batteries right here with a lithium, because I don't know how long those are going to last, and I got them used off of a guy here locally on a trade on some stuff, and he didn't know how good they were. They held voltage, but he said that he didn't know how long they'd last. But they're lasting, they're doing their job right now, so that's all that matters. But eventually, like I said, I like to do like a 2 to 5 kilowatt hour lithium bank just for this out here. I don't need nothing huge. A lot of people ask. JY Solar was doing something about light bulbs in DC to DC conversion on a video I seen. And if you're doing 24 volt setups and you want to go down to 12 volt for lights and stuff, right here, I believe this was like $49 just for this. It's 20 amps. So you got your voltage from 24 to 12, and you got 20 amps. And as you can see, the input voltage, you got 36 volt input, 12 volt, 240 out, 20 amps. And that's plenty enough for any type of LED lights and stuff, little 12 volt fans, or even a car radio you want to use in your shop. If you don't have a lot of need, but you can also get bigger ones of those. I've seen the 30s. They got a 30 amp model, and I believe they got a 40 amp, and they got a 70 amp model, which I use on my larger system in the house. So that right there is a great idea for the RVers out there that want more solar power but can't because of their limitations on their voltage at 12 volt and want to step up to 24. That's the way you do it. But shoot, the heater just kicked off. So 70 degrees inside the building, no problem. Keeps it nice and toasty out here. But yeah, I just want to give you a little update on what's going on with that and how it's running. I've had questions, how do you do your light conversion? How much power you use? Well, really, I'm not using a lot of power because I'm not out here using it all the time. It runs one single light outside during the night, which is a 10-watt LED flood lamp. And as you can see, it's using maybe a half a kilowatt hour a day. But if I wanted to do more with it, I would have to have more battery storage, of course. And, I could do whatever I want during a sunny day because, I got 600 watts of solar feeding this system. So I'm limited to how much power I could use. But, if I needed to use something like a saw or something, or charge my drill batteries up, it's not an issue. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a small update on how this is doing out here. And thanks for subscribing. I hope I explained everything about this and the voltage inputs. Once again, you can see on there it's 18 to 36 volts. So if your lithium batteries are 31, on a 24 volt setup, I don't think that'd be an issue at all. And my meter here says it's 12.3 on these USB jacks, so it's pretty well on. I mean, we know these are off on the voltage a little bit, so I'm going to say it's probably more like a 12.4, 12.5. So, but anyway, once again, thanks for subscribing and watching what I do, and I hope my ideas help people out there and help others out there too. So take care of yourself. Click on that like and subscribe button down there. Only hurt once. I promise it'll only hurt once. Stay safe from the Rona. And take care of yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out of here.